Hey guys, a toothache can be caused by anything from a popcorn hull stuck into your gum to a broken teeth or some bacterial infection. Some toothache may come from temporary gum irritation, but serious toothache need a treatment from dental professional to resolve the pain or whatever problem is causing it. A toothache is a pain in or around a tooth. Minor toothache can be caused by temporary gum irritation that you can treat at home. More serious toothache can be caused by dental or mouth problems that would not get better by their own and will need to be treated by a dentist. The pulp inside your tooth is soft material filled with nerve tissues and blood vessels. These pulp nerves are amongst the most sensitive in your body. When these nerves are irritated or infected by some bacteria or abscess, they can cause severe pain. Toothache can be caused by tooth decay. Abscessed tooth means a bacterial infection inside the center of the tooth. Tooth fracture, or you can say a broken tooth, a damaged filling, repetitive motions such as chewing gum or grinding or clenching teeth. These repetitive motions may wear down your tooth. Infected gums, eruption of tooth means teeth came out of gums. Removal of tooth, for example, wisdom teeth removal. There are various symptoms of the toothache such as tooth pain that may be sharp, throbbing or constant. In some people, pain results only when the pressure is applied on the tooth, such as biting down on something. Swelling around the tooth, fever or headache, foul tasting drainage from the infected tooth, a bad odor from the mouth. And if you are experiencing trouble while breathing or swallowing along with the pain, then immediately contact your dentist. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of the toothache. You need only one ingredient to prepare the remedy, and the name of ingredient is dry peppermint leaves. Peppermint has the numbing properties that can soothe a toothache. Menthol, which gives peppermint a minty flavor and smell, is also known to be antibacterial. 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves can be put in a cup of boiling water and steeped for 20 minutes. After allowing to cool, it can be swished around in the mouth, then spat out or swallowed, whatever you are comfortable with. Follow the remedy 2 to 3 times a day until you get the complete relief. Since most toothaches are result of tooth decay, so good oral hygiene practices can prevent toothaches. Brush regularly with fluoride toothpaste. Floss at least once a day. Eat foods that are low in sugar. Alright guys, hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.